Friends, today I am going to cover very much important topic of the commerce, and that is what is budgeting and forecasting. Every commerce student should know about the difference between budgeting and forecasting. It is important for the PGT exam, NET exam, for the BCom, MCom, CBS and other exams. So without waste of time, let's start. What is this? Budgeting and forecasting are two essential financial management tools that businesses use to plan and track their financial performance. Budgeting and forecasting is helpful in improving the financial planning and decision making process. Budgeting is the process of creating a detailed financial plan for a specific period, usually a fiscal year. Budget can be prepared for different areas of a businesses such as sales, marketing, finance, etc. Now let's see what is financial forecasting. Forecasting is the process of predicting future trends and events based on historical data, market analysis and other relevant information. Now types of forecasts are: there are several forecasts that businesses can use to predict future trends and events. They are sales forecast, financial forecast, budget forecast and economic forecast. Let's see one by one what are they. First one is the sales forecast. A sales forecast predicts company's future revenue based on historical data, market trends and other factors. It helps businesses to estimate their sales volume, prices and margins and plan their production, marketing and distribution strategies accordingly. Now come to the second one, that is the financial forecast. Let's see what is this. A financial forecast projects a company's future financial performance, including revenues, expenses, profits. It helps businesses to assess their liquidity, solvency, and profitability. Financial forecasting may be short-term or middle-term forecasting. Now come to the next type, that is the economic forecast. An economic forecast predicts macroeconomic trends and events such as GDP growth, inflation, and interest rates. It helps businesses, investors, and government to take decision on hiring, investment, and policy. Come to the last forecast, that is the budget forecast. Budget forecasting predicts a company's financial performance based on the budgeted targets and assumptions. It helps businesses track their progress against budgeted goals and make adjustment to their plans as needed. Friends, in this video only this much. For more information regarding commerce, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video and giving your valuable time.